Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down 5 simple field tests you can do to check the quality of bricks whether you're buying them for construction or quality control. First up, the visual test. This is your starting point. You're looking for 3 things: uniform shape, consistent size, and even color throughout. Run your eyes across the brick. It should be smooth and completely free from cracks. Any cracks you see, that's a red flag. This foundation check tells you immediately if the brick has basic manufacturing quality. Next, let's talk about the soundness test. Here's where it gets fun. Take 2 bricks and strike them together. Listen carefully to that sound. A clear, ringing tone? That's your green light. It means the brick is properly fired and has good integrity. But if you hear a dull thud, that indicates poor quality or potential internal defects. The sound tells a story about the brick's density. Now for the hardness test. Grab a nail or something sharp. Scratch the surface of the brick. A quality brick should resist scratching. It should stay firm and show minimal marks. If your nail easily digs into the brick, that's a sign of weak material and poor firing. Hardness is a direct indicator of durability and how long your brick will last. The drop test is straightforward but effective. Hold the brick about 1 meter, roughly 3 feet above a hard surface, and drop it. Watch what happens. A good brick should hit the ground and stay intact. If it shatters or breaks into pieces, it failed the test. This reveals whether the brick can handle real-world stress and impact. Finally, the water absorption test. Dip your brick into water and let it sit for a bit. Here's the key: quality bricks don't absorb water quickly. They should resist water penetration because excess absorption leads to efflorescence, spalling, and structural problems over time. If the brick soaks up water like a sponge, it's not going to perform well in wet climates. So there you have it, 5 simple tests that give you massive insight into brick quality without needing expensive equipment. Use these next time you're on a job site or shopping for materials. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more construction tips. Thanks for watching.